welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for a friend of mine who is diabetic. And this recipe is for sugar-free carrot cookies. Now, sugar-free anything is not really my specialty, so this is kind of a new thing for me to look at. So we will be exploring this new territory together. Let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 3/4 cup or 150 grams of xylitol or your favorite sugar substitute, 2 eggs, 1 cup or 110 grams of shredded carrots, 2½ cups or 310 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon cinnamon. Cream the butter, cream in the sugar substitute. Beat in eggs. Add baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Add shredded carrots. Add the flour. I baked a batch before deciding that the dough needed more flour as it was quite sticky. I had initially only added 2 cups of flour, so if you need more flour to reach cookie dough consistency, feel free to add a bit more flour. Spoon onto a lined baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. These cookies are soft and cake-like. They don't really taste sweet at all. They taste almost bread-like. So if there's such a thing as healthy cookies, I think these come as close as it is possible to be. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.